Alright, in this episode we go over what we have for the RX-7. I've had a lot of stuff been coming in. We'll show you what I've been working on today. We'll show you what I got in the mail. And I have a surprise for you towards the end that you're going to love. And we are crazy. So don't miss the surprise. It's pretty awesome. It goes along with what we have going on here. It's going to be pretty sick. And you guys are going to be excited. I'll get you in some details there. I have buttoned some more things up. I promise I have been working on it. Some stuff has been delayed in New Zealand because they had lockdown. So I just finished putting the oil system back together, modifying it, and making it work. Let me show you. Okay, so we got the Pro J and socket bomb filter adapter on top. That is officially in. I did have to shorten the AN oil line there about 1/2 inch because they stick out a little bit farther with the new fittings. So that is all done up there, and this will go right here. I will probably actually trim this one as well. It's a little crazy. The return or the front cover one will go there. So that's looking awesome. That's gonna be great. That is like officially done now. All besides my temporary brass plug here. I'm waiting for the black plug to show up. And I need my oil feed line, which I don't have yet because I don't know how long I need it until this gets fixed. Okay, so my water pump. I have relays now for it. So I'm going to set up, I'm actually going to pull this back out from there so I can work on it, mark where some things are, where it crosses and hangs up. Probably put the relays in that corner. In that corner I will have probably a catch can of sorts underneath there so we can hide the wiring and the connections and stuff right there. Then I can put a heat shield from the exhaust up and over, protecting the lines there. So I can finish doing the wiring and the little harness here. Vinifab has built me a custom harness for the wiring individual coil packs. So there's some bolt holes here. I'm going to have to make a custom mount to mount them right here. So we can run our 6 coils there. We have bought a ton of exhaust and intake manifold and other parts, and aluminum and fittings. So I have the aluminum intercooler guy lined out to get it done, but I'm trying to get lined out the exhaust manifold to get the turbo where we really need it to sit. So that way we can run an exhaust and we can actually set up the front mount, get it built, and run the intercooler piping. So here is thousands of dollars worth of stainless pie cuts, vibrant ovals. I have 2 now. Some stainless flex pipes, hangers, different thicknesses of pie cuts, bins, 45s, 90s. All kinds of stuff down here. All stainless. I got all the pipe in here. I got 4 4-foot links, 2-inch stainless, 45s, big 90s, small 90s. Got a straight in that box. And then Jags had another of the oval vibrant. Then I got their stainless series exhaust clamps. Still waiting on the vibrant muffler, and I ended up going with like a Magnaflow exhaust muffler as well. It's similar to the one that's on there, but that one's 3.5 inch or 3 inch. So I don't need that stuff. I'll sell the titanium end piece and the hollowed out the cats and the mufflers, which one of them is like hollowed out. I wanted to give you an update on what's going on, the parts and pieces we got hiding around here that's been showing up, waiting for a few things. Want to try to get more of the wiring, a little more buttoned up, get the water definitely buttoned up and ran. Now oil is done. We'll just have to do catch can, wiring, and then exhaust and intake, intercooler stuff. All right, let me tell you what's going on. Wide Open Throttle Garage has acquired another FD RX-7. Single turbo, all kinds of stuff, 13B 2 rotor. So now we'll have the 2 rotor, we'll have a 3 rotor, and hey, maybe we'll get a 4 rotor. So when I open my 3-car garage, we can have every rotor series in here, which would be pretty sick. So let me give you some details. It's going to be a collaboration. I won't be building that one. I have some work that needs to be done. My cousin is starting his own channel to help document it for me, and will be giving me content to give you updates on it. And we should have it done by next spring. It's going to be a show quality, high-end, very nice, all good parts we can put on it to make it quick and reliable, look good, sound good, feel good, all of it. A very nice, high quality build is what we're going for. And the best part is, I won't tell you yet. When I go over that car, I'll tell you the name of it, and it's hilarious. And we will share with you what we are trying to accomplish with that. So there's going to be even more rotary content, and I might as well just keep buying them because they're awesome, and I want to keep working on them. And I have an idea of a rotary swap for a car out in my yard. That it's actually been the goal for like the last year and a half of owning that car, of doing one for it, but I want it to be carbureted. So it's gonna be sick if I can get that to work out. I might have a source on an engine or a rotary engine I can put together, and a transmission, and I can do some adaptive workings to make it fit in this car. But man, are we turning into a Rotary Channel? Are we building these more? Are we going to keep doing this stuff with them? Might as well. I think they're cool, and it's a pretty cool concept. It's been fun learning and working on this thing. Alright guys, definitely more to come with the rotary content. I will share with you that new car soon, and we'll fill you in. I'll show you some videos. I'll see how we're taking 2 cars, making one, and we're going to make a really, really nice setup.
Well, getting ready for game time. I'm going to strip this car for the wonderful experience of resurrecting the gray car. Just got to take all the trans, motor, diff, brakes off this car for the other car.